Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the headband wig. So if that's something you want to see, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share this video. So let's jump right into it. So the hair I'm going to be using today is from Mimi Posh. It's actually a synthetic hair, it's not a human hair. So I'm going to be using it to make my headband wig today. So it came in 3 bundles. This is how it looks. So this is my headband, the headband I'm going to be using, the bonding glue. I'm also going to be using this eyeliner to map out where I'm going to put the headband. So first thing first, you're going to measure where your headband is going to sit. You're going to place your headband over your mannequin head. Your headband over your mannequin head. Then you take your pencil, your eyeliner to map out the area where the headband is going to sit. So when you're done outlining, take out the headband, and then you're going to lay your tracks in between where you have all of this. You're going to lay your track here upwards. Your track shouldn't come outside this line or inside the line. So starting off with the first bundle,
chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. I am the head and not the tail. I'm above and not beneath, 'cause I know who God says I am, and that is when I believe. I am hope, I am peace, I am joy, I am strength. I am your comfort and relief from your stress. I am strength, I am faith, I am love, I am power. I am your freedom this very hour.
So now that a perfect U is formed, I'm going to go across the U.
That's my home, that's my home. It is where I find my rest, it is where I find my strength. Hey, somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Baba, 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 Baba. Kabiyesi-o, Hosanna, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jerusalem is my home, it's my home.
So this is the last track I'm laying. If you can see, you see the line here. This is the last line here. I'm not supposed to lay any track here because our headband is going to sit on this place. So now that we're done with the weft, we're going to replace the headband on that space. Remember the space we left out, this space we left out for the headband. So we're going to replace the headband on that space to cover the weft. And then when we're done with that, we're going to sew it down. Just sew it to cover all the weft and all the nets, the wig cap. I didn't know that my camera stopped recording, as in it got filled up, and I didn't know. After you must have sewn it down, then you cut the net under where you have the headband. I have another video, a very detailed video on headband wig, so for more clarity you can check that out.
Jerusalem is my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen. Jerusalem, ikayala mi. Ilonoloze. Hambena mi. Zunganyishilana. Jerusalem, ikayala mi. Ilonoloze. Hambena mi. Zunganyishilana. Ndawo ya mi. Ayikolana. Mbuso wa mi. Awukolana. Ilonoloze. Hambena mi. Ndawo ya mi. Ayikolana. Mbuso wa mi. Awukolana. Ilonoloze. Hambena mi. Ilonoloze. 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 Zungangishila. Ilonoloze. Ilonoloze.
Thank you so much for staying with me